Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am back at Dollar Tree seeing what kind of budget items I can find. It looks like I picked a good day to come. It's a Saturday and this looks pretty well stocked. Nothing I need in this area, but I'm going to keep looking. There's some body sprays. Do you see any favorites here? This hand sanitizing pen looks cool. Looks like lots of skincare is in stock. Wow, I have never seen so much makeup at this Dollar Tree before. Lots of beauty items. So I was talking to the manager of this Dollar Tree today, and he said that everything will be going up to a minimum of $1.50, with $3, $5, $7, and he said even some $2 and up to $10. I am really disappointed to hear that because I really enjoy coming in here for budget items. I don't believe I've ever seen SPF in Dollar Tree before. That is really cool. Night cream. I think I'm going to give this a try. Great variety of coffee mugs, and I noticed that these have been marked up to $1.50. This looks like new Ioni products. I'm going to walk back through the makeup. It's quite overwhelming. I'm not used to having such a large selection to choose from. It's a little overwhelming. Nice press-on nails. I love press-on nails. I could stay in here all day, I believe. There is so much stuff to look at. I love the skincare products that I have tried. I have never tried the deodorants. They have some really nice shower gels as well. So in my area, a lot of products are still $1.25. I think they are in the process of marking everything up. These smell really nice, both of them. I prefer the coconut scented one. It smells sweet, kind of like a day at the beach. This Dollar Tree has been putting out a lot of stock. So maybe we are getting a lot of new items and they are going to have a larger variety of products with the price increase. So maybe it's going to be more like a Family Dollar, Dollar General situation, but I can't help but feel a little disappointed. I'm taking a walk through the toys and I'm noticing that there is a lot of toys that says $1.75. Have you seen this in your area? The toys going up to $1.75. I think they're just in the process of getting things marked up. The minimum price is going to be $1.50. It appears the cleaning supplies have already been marked up. Lots of red dots on things. I've heard this is good stuff. I'll walk back and look one more time at the makeup. And these fall critters are so adorable. I have not started to decorate for fall yet. But these are super cute. And come back over to the skincare. I really like the skincare I've tried. So I am going to pick up a few skincare items. I am liking this nighttime facial serum and cleanser. Smells so good. It's a pretty color lipstick. I think I'll give this a try. And on the way out, I found these hand sanitizers that everyone keeps talking about. I'm happy with my picks today, but a little disappointed with the price increase. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hauls. Thanks for watching. See you next time.